let's learn how to create and send out invoices. We'll start on the Invoices tab and click the New Invoice button. Enter the new customer's name or select an existing customer. You can add in additional customer details if you want here. Next, you can add an invoice number or just let the system auto-increment the next invoice number that's available. You can set a date and a due date for this invoice. Now it's time to add products to your invoices. You can enter a new product and add a description and price. And you can also add from your stored products by clicking on Choose Product and then choosing what to add to your invoice. For more information on creating products, please see our video on setting up your invoice tool and creating products. When you're done adding items to the invoice, you can add any notes and terms and conditions. You can then add a discount, as well as edit how much is required to be paid by the customer on the first payment. When you're ready, click Send. You'll see the customer's default email address is pre-populated, and you can add additional email addresses as well. After entering an email address, hit Enter so the address is saved. You can also add cell phone numbers so that the customer gets the invoice link via text message. After adding a phone number, hit Enter so that the number is saved. You can modify the subject and content of the emailed invoice, as well as attach any files. Note that by default, the customer will automatically get a PDF attachment on emailed invoices, which you can disable by unchecking this box. When you're ready, click Send, and you'll get a notification that the invoice was created and sent to the customers. In this column, you'll see its status showing as sent. Once the customer has clicked on the invoice, it'll update to viewed. Once the invoice has been paid, it'll be further updated to paid. You can click here to quickly resend the invoice. You can cancel or delete it entirely, as well as edit the invoice, as long as it has not yet been paid. You can also hit the Pay button to make a payment on behalf of the customer, using the customer's saved cards, a new card or check, or by marking the invoice as paid in cash. Clicking on the invoice will allow you to see the details of it, as well as the full history of the invoice.